What's up, my Power Up friends? Welcome back to Power Up with Kanie. Today, I want to show you an incredibly magical yogurt that has made all of the difference in the health of my gut. It has improved the microbiome in my gut 100%. As many of you know, I started on this low-carb keto diet because I had incredible inflammation in my intestines. I was in pain in the morning, in the afternoon, at night. I actually woke up with pain in my gut. My entire GI system was just completely unhealthy. I soon discovered that it was because my microbiome wasn't balanced. I had an incredible amount of the bad bacteria in my gut, and it was giving me brain fog, messing with my emotions. I didn't have clarity as I tried to think through projects. I also had skin rashes, great inflammation. I was overweight. But as soon as I started taking care of my gut and I cut out carbs, sugar, and refined oils, my body started healing. And one of the things that I always put in my body every single day, a half a cup to a cup, is this yogurt. It is amazing. It was actually discovered by Dr. Davis, and he wrote a book titled The Wheat Belly. The benefits of this yogurt are incredible. It'll improve your digestion. It'll reduce bloating. Any symptoms of IBS will be helped by this yogurt. It can also help support regular bowel movements, and it can help modulate your immune system by reducing this inflammation. So inflammation does make us a lot more susceptible to getting sick. And around 70% of immune cells reside actually in your gut, so you'll have less probability of getting sick when you have very good gut health. There's evidence based on Dr. Davis's research that this yogurt improves your skin by reducing inflammation and supporting collagen production. It also has improved my brain health and my mood. Any imbalances in the gut flora have been linked to anxiety, depression, and all kinds of neurodegenerative diseases. And so that's why it's so important, if you want to feel happy, if you want to be emotionally balanced, to ensure that you are taking care of your gut. So again, cannot say enough about this yogurt, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. These are the 3 ingredients you're going to need to make this yogurt. You can purchase everything off of Amazon. I, of course, purchased the organic half and half from Aldi, but everything else, including the yogurt machine, I got from Amazon. And I'll link everything down below. That way you can go and purchase it very easily without having to search. So the very first thing that you'll need is the L. reuteri individual strain probiotics. I would strongly recommend that when you purchase this and open it, then stick it in the fridge. Because if you don't, then it does go bad. So just make sure that when you use it, you stick it in the fridge. You will need 1/4 of a teaspoon of this for the recipe. And it's just a powder. So you'll notice. And then you will also need some Inulin prebiotic fiber, something to feed the L. reuteri. I use 2 tablespoons of this. And then, of course, you need 1 quart of organic half and half. Okay, I'm putting 1/4 of a teaspoon of the L. reuteri in here. And then I will be adding 2 tablespoons of the Inulin prebiotic fiber. There's 1 and 2. And then what you want to do is just put a splash of the organic half and half in here. Just a little bit, because what you're going to do is you're going to make a slurry first. And I usually just mix it around with a fork until everything is very well integrated. Then you're going to put in the rest of the organic half and half. And then I'm just going to give it a little mix just to make sure that everything spreads out evenly. Now I'm going to pour my mixture into these 2 containers. That looks about right. And then I'm going to put them into my yogurt maker. Now I'm going to fill this yogurt maker up with water, and the water line is going to be the same as the yogurt line. We're going to set the temperature to 99 and the time to 36 hours. And press start and let it be for a day and a half. The end product to this yogurt is amazing. It is creamy, love the texture, and there's so many ways that you can garnish this yogurt to enhance and boost its flavor. You can pair it with some fresh fruit, you can put berries in there, you can also pair it with nuts and seeds, you can put almonds in there, walnuts, pistachios, chia seeds. You can also add some coconut flakes. If you want it to be a little sweeter, you can add some stevia or some monk fruit syrup. The possibilities are endless. It is delicious. And again, it is recommended that you have about a half a cup to 3/4 a cup every single day, and you will notice a difference. Another amazing thing that you will notice about this yogurt is you will sleep like a baby. One of the things that they found when they researched the results of this yogurt in the study that they did is that people who had this yogurt on a daily basis slept so soundly. You will have the most vivid dreams. I am currently waking up and feeling extremely rested. The benefits to this yogurt are endless. I highly, highly recommend. All right, my Power Up friends, that's it for this video. For more recipes like this one that are low carb, keto friendly, super delicious, and extremely easy to make, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a video, and share this video and my channel with friends and family who you know have embarked on a healthy eating journey. Bye until next time.